So one of the things that we want to do now is show you some extension activities you can do with all of your wool. So we've got all these lovely finger knittings of different sizes, and what we thought we would do is make a cubby house. So we want to show you how to make a very simple teepee structure. We've got these sticks, and we're going to show you a very simple strategy for tying them together. So one of the common mistakes that people make is when they make a teepee is that they try to tie them all together. So the first thing you want to do is get your 3 sticks, and Sophie's going to show you how to do a very special knot.
You can see this pink one, that's the longest, and then this rainbow blue and green one, and then there's this blue one, that's the shortest. So I'm going to pick the longest, which is this one. I got it on a pillow, so that this bit here, there's nothing touching it, so I can just do this when I'm moving. I got it over, under, over, like that. And then you keep on doing it until you run out of spaces. Under, over, under. And then you do it again. You go over, under, over. And then you go under, under, over, under. Over, under, over. Under. Wait, under, over, under. Then up the, and then when you've finished, you push this all together and you pull it as tight as you can. It needs to be super tight. So I am going to tie it as tight as I can. And then I'm going to tie a knot. Then I'm going to tie a bow. And some kids may not know how to tie a bow. So the way I think of it is that these 2 things are bunny ears. And then you have to tie the 2 bunny ears to a knot like that. That's how you do it. That's how you do the bow. And this is the wing. Now I'm going to stand this up. Okay, so I'm going to pull one out like that. And then I'm going to pull another one out. Then I'm going to pull the last one out. And now it's like a teepee.
there's a couple of things that I want to explain about this teepee. One of them is that we started off with a very simple tripod, so we used the 3 sticks to start off with, and the 3 sticks, when they're tied together in that weaving formation at the top, it becomes very solid. So you notice this is now a very solid structure, and then we added the additional sticks to the outside. It's a very common mistake for people to try and tie too many sticks together, and then the structure becomes loose and it falls over.